Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to merge a drawing to video file using Filmora. For this purpose, open the Filmora video editor and import the file that you want to merge. Click on Import button and select the desired file that you want to merge. And click Open button. Now select the file and drag down in timeline. If this message appears, select the highest FPS rate. Now adjust the timeline. You can minimize this timeline and now select this second file and adjust in timeline. Now you have to do nothing, just click on Export button. Now you can change the name of this video file. It can be something. And click on Export button. After the processing, you will see your file has been complete as merged file. These easy and simple steps that you can follow to merge any video file using Filmora. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.